gonna go with that.
Alright guys, so we just got done the fitting. We started with the Callaway Epic iron here. Some of the things that we're looking at, we're trying to get a little bit more distance. We're trying to hit the ball a little straighter and provide a little bit more forgiveness. So one of the clubs that we came up with that was the best option was
the Titleist T400, and it actually stood out as the clear winner for distance, for forgiveness, which would encompass straightness. Definitely went straighter and longer, and it felt good.
It did, and we actually looked at more than one brand, and I did it without knowing which brand was which, so that I would not make a decision beforehand. And I'm pleasantly surprised at Titleist.
Yeah, because
but
historically it's for better
golfers.
players,
We'll just
serious
go with
players.
that, better golfers. But the first swing I had with that one, I was like, wow, it felt really good and very level when I went all the way through. Whereas one of the other ones felt really heavy, which surprised me. So without even knowing what it was.
Yeah, so this just provided really good feel and feedback for you, and the shots were fun to hit.
And Scott, I mean, if you can go into a little bit of the details of just kind of the specs or the set makeup that we ended up with, that would be great.
Yeah, and this has a wide sole, so it's almost got a little bit of a hybrid feel, which is something we're kind of looking for. So we went with the 7 iron as the longest iron, and then the 8-9 pitching wedge, the second wedge, and the third wedge. And then we went with the 5 hybrid here to kind of fill in that gap into the fairway woods.
And we kind of skipped over the 6 iron, right? So the 6 iron's a possibility, but because of gapping purposes, we want to make sure that the spot is merited, because we only have 14 clubs, right? So we want to make sure each spot's used correctly.
Exactly, and you can always add that 6.
Yeah.
The 6 iron in the future.
Very good.
If you want.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right. Well, thanks, guys. I really appreciate it.
All right.